It's 163 kilometers to Sihui. I've got a full tank of gas, half a pack of cigarettes, it's raining, and I'm wearing 3D glasses. Let's hit it!
考官你好，接下来我将要讲述的是保育员如何教会小朋友正确刷牙。
Just come out of the registration office. Very little office. The people were very friendly, especially because I'm a foreigner and it's a city in the middle of nowhere, so they don't often see foreigners. So it's official. We're married. This is Choo-Choo, my new wife.
Unbelievable. Unbelievable.
So it's official. We're married. So many happy years.
Today the knife should be very sharp.
Perfect. He just listens to phone.
对，那个泵子 nothing I can do. I give you.
Good job there, Renee.
对，就在它的旁边而已。然后我们有，你会看到有那个意大利的那个。
Yeah, we have here skin. I put everything together a little bit. We have to sort it out afterwards, huh? Okay?
Okay.
Thanks, Renee. You're fantastic to cut it. It's even not see when I try it. It's juicy.
Please do that. Yeah, it's
Quality.
Try it. What do you think?
Try. Really enjoy it. Try.
因为东西是
No salt, nothing. Just is
他
banana.
们就会去讲，不需要去做广告。
Really
然后
nice.
再加上我先生他们
Juicy and
去
There's same age?
Oh, Jose.
Yeah. We have the same age. But he's my
What I forgot to say, Paul, is please don't care about it. Now, but when everybody got married, everybody say who is the lucky one? She or he? Okay. So when you get second married, everybody and normally it's true. Everybody waiting, wait, not give the weight of the. Who make the good deal?
Isn't it 50-50?
No, if it used to be 50-50, it would be very easy, Paul. But it's not 50-50. Did I need to stop?
I said maybe you're gonna be the one that saves me. And after all, you're my wonderwall. I said maybe. La 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 la. La 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 la, la baby, la la, la la la, la baby. So I'm Paul Jolley. Don't forget, subscribe to my channel because I'm awesome. Why not? Take it easy, guys.